Hello students, now 11th class chapter 13 hydrocarbons. Important questions in front of you. I'm going to show you. I Lovejeet Singh from Anysol Institute from Amritsar. These questions are very important to do. I hope you watched our earlier videos of earlier chapters from 1st to 12th chapter. 12 videos you watched. Now it's 13th video of important questions of chemistry 11th class. If you have any doubt, you can just comment us in the comment box. We'll clear your all doubts. If I'm going fast, then you can just take screenshot because if I will go fast if I will go slow, video will be too large. That will be bore for you. Or you can just pause the video if you want to see for a long time. This is Anysol Institute. Earlier name was Stark Institute. Now it is registered with the government of India. Thanks for all your supporting. Anysol Institute is helping to everyone. Everyone come and ask your doubts. You can watch our other subject videos also. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology also. Thank you students. It was the 13th chapter important questions. Now you can watch the 14th chapter important questions also. That is the last chapter. We have uploaded all the 14 chapters, 14 videos you can watch. You can see in the description box if you want to see. If you want to share to others, then share it please. If you want to subscribe, then subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you so much.